Hello everyone, Chris Halverson here, one half of the Video Marketing Mavens team along with Nanette Perrott, and I'm here today to remind you about the downloadable tutorial we have available for you, and it's called From Awkward to Awesome. It's meant to give you confidence on camera and confidence in planning your video marketing strategies. And so it contains 4 downloadable videos and 4 downloadable worksheets that look something like this. And those worksheets are meant to walk you through the steps that we've talked about in the videos and to give you something to hang on to while you're planning your strategy. One of those PDFs is called What Will You Put Into Your Videos? And that is strictly meant to help you think about what content, what is it that you're actually going to film within your business or organization. It's a brainstorming tool, it's a checklist, and it's just something to jumpstart your thinking in video marketing. We hope you'll check out the whole thing using the link below. Thanks very much.